How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can use the pickup trigger. So I'm going to go ahead and place this counter right here. And then basically, I'm just going to put item number 1. I'm going to click on OK. And from here, let's now place our pickup trigger. And then basically for the pickup trigger, I'm just going to click on edit object, and then it's going to count as 1 for our item ID number 1. Now you could also go ahead and press another right here if you want to, but in my case, I'm going to activate my pickup trigger if I simply touch it. So I'm also going to click on the multi-trigger, click OK, and then you should be good to go. So let's go ahead and edit this into something like platformer. And from here, it will now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, so on and so forth. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.